Progress video of making a cicada sprinkler. I'm just showing off the clay model.
Has been signed with a language called love. Let's take him back to the club. He's about an hour. I stand online. I just
Bit of a dab up.
fly. For the day you die.
I have to heat gun afterward. So here's what I made so far. Other side. Making a box for pouring silicone. Now, cut it open.
It's not going to be a model for it.
I had to inject epoxy in there. I tried so many times without the bubble, and syringe worked better. And I had to boil it, little simmer, and unbox.
And
Half like this, head and body separated.
I cut it.
We're gonna just hollow out inside.
there you go.
Grind with grinder, and then hollow it out.
Just washed it quick. Looks pretty good.
I had to drill a little hole. Now make a little bits. And that's for wing. I'm drilling a skater's mouth so it came out like a strainer. Head and body, the wing parts assembly. Piece of gum. And it's colored awesome. And that's the result. Turned out pretty good. These are just sublines, one of the patterns. And these little white dots. And glue the wings together. Give a little 360. And there we go. Sprinkler. That's a pepper, by the way. I put him in there.